Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily crypto market update, and we will figure out, is it bearish market trend, what's going on with the crypto world today. Let's move to trading view and we will figure out what's going on. Let's start crypto heat map, everything red, all red, very bearish, very negative. Let me close it. Now let's start from Bitcoin. Bitcoin minus 2.5% today. And let me briefly show you about the setup, current setup. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. You can easily and quickly learn it. I'm using moving averages. White line it's SMA 200, yellow line SMA EMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5, buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, green line MACD line, red line is MACD line, green bullish, red bearish, white line signal line, RSI indicator, yellow line, Kanachi, green bars bullish, red bars bearish. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because of the emotions involved, but if you trust your indicators, if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions, and indicators always show us a proper signal. Just follow them, and if market change direction, change direction. Don't fight with the market trend. Okay, let's start the daily time frame. Bitcoin Cash. Bearish trend, sell signal, all moving averages. MA510 did bearish crossover over 20. Bearish trend, MACD bearish, Kanachi bearish, RSI bearish. You see bearish divergences worked and the market changed direction to bearish, now to bearish trend. Okay, it's a bearish reversal signal. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it's a similar story. Bearish trend, all moving averages below 200, very negative, very bearish territory. Sell signal, last bar far from 20, it definitely wants to connect back to 20 because it's disconnected. And it can have some bullish reversal, some bullish recover. MACD is still bearish. You see MACD has some bullish divergence. RSI has bullish divergence on 4 hours time frame. Price action downtrend, the RSI and MACD has bullish divergence. Same on bullish divergence on the MACD line. Bullish divergence is even larger. It's a bullish. Wow, look at it on 4 hours time frame. It has bullish divergence from here. Because if we check price action, it is bearish. You see it from here. Let me remove this one. Yeah, huge bearish divergences. Let me see on the RSI. Even on RSI, look at it. From this point, bearish divergences. Bearish divergences, wow, huge, multiple. Let's check daily. What's going on. Bitcoin. Yeah, on daily, yeah, it has some MACD, histogram. Yeah, it still has bullish divergences. Interesting. Bitcoin has some bullish divergences. For 1 hour time frame, same story, bullish divergences, bearish trend. Still bearish trend on all indicators with bullish divergences. It can stay for bullish divergences for some period of time. Okay, let's move to bearish trend. Let's move to Bitcoin Cash, minus 3.5% today. Bitcoin Cash, let's start daily. It did one day, it was very bearish one day. Next day it was bullish reversal. Let me maximize it. Bullish reversal, buy signal. Next 2 days it did sell off everything. It sold everything it gained. Same level. Bearish reversal signal. And another bearish signal, MA20 yellow line did bearish crossover over 200. very bearish. Last time it did this bearish crossover, it was, let me show you, it was in the June. Actually, on weekly it doesn't show like that. On daily, let's see, let's move it back on daily. On daily, let me show you, it was in the June 2021, I believe, when it did bearish crossover. Let's see, yeah, this point, it was September 2021. In 21 it did bearish crossover, and now it's back. It's back. It's again, yeah, beginning of this year. I'm sorry with my mess. Beginning of January this year it did bullish crossover. It was positive. Now it did bearish crossover again. It is negative. Now all moving averages MA5, 10 and 20 below 200. It is bearish territory. All indicators bearish in the bearish territory. Daily time frame for Bitcoin Cash. 4 hours time frame, similar story. All moving averages below 200. They was rejected from 200. All indicators bearish are assigned in bearish territory. In oversold territory are assigned. Bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. Also, it has some bullish divergences on 1 hour time frame. It wants to have some bullish correction. It wants to connect back to 20. Let's move back to Ethereum. Ethereum minus 3%. Ethereum Cash was minus 3.5%. Bitcoin was minus 2.5%. Bitcoin Cash was minus 3.5%. Ethereum minus 3% now. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum daily. Ethereum daily sell signal, bearish crossover, bearish trend, MACD bearish, RSI and Fibonacci all bearish. On daily time frame, no changes. 4 hours time frame, similar, all moving averages below 200, bearish trend, MACD bearish, RSI, Fibonacci, all RSI in the oversold territory minus 35. Bearish trend direction on 4 hours time frame for Ethereum. Ethereum 1 hour time frame, same story, all moving averages below 200, bearish trend, all indicators in the bearish trend are assigned the oversold territory. It's building some bullish divergences, but it is in oversold territory. Yeah, there is some bullish divergences on 1 hour. If you took from this place, it wants to have some bullish correction. Let's move to Ethereum Classic, minus 4.5% today. Ethereum Classic, let's start daily. Same story. Ethereum Classic very negative. You see my 200 downtrend, it is very negative on daily time frame. And all moving averages below 200, it is negative. It is negative bearish trend. MACD bearish, Fibonacci bearish. Fibonacci was oversold. Now it's kind of recovered, but it was oversold. Bearish trend direction on daily time frame for Ethereum Classic. Let's see 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, similar story. All moving averages below 200, 200 downtrend, bearish trend direction. MA20 downtrend, bearish trend direction. All indicators bearish. It has some bullish divergences on all indicators, on MACD, on RSI, but yeah, still bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame bearish, all moving averages below 200, and last bar far from 20. It wants to have some correction, and it has some bullish divergences, yeah. But RSI very, very oversold, minus 43. It is very oversold. Usually from this point, you see what it did? It did bounce, and it disconnected from 200 and from 20. Huge disconnection. It definitely wants to have some bounce. It will have some bounce. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Very oversold. ADA Cardano minus 4.5% also. Also very negative. ADA Cardano, let's start 1 hour time frame. Very oversold on RSI, minus 40. Very negative on all indicators. Last bar from far from 20. It has some bullish divergence also, look at it. Like all other cryptos, right? The price action is downtrend and MACD has some bullish divergence. It should be from this point. From this point it's flat. Yeah, no divergences, it's flat. Okay, still bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame, Cardano. Cardano still bearish trend, all moving averages below 200, bearish trend, MACD bearish, RSI all below zero line, it's a bearish territory. And it has, on 4 hours time frame, it has bullish divergence. Look at it, the price action is downtrend, right? Price action is downtrend. What's going on? I don't like it. And on MACD, let's see on MACD, from this point to this point, it's an uptrend direction, right? Bullish divergence. It wants to have some correction. Daily time frame, ADA Cardano. You see same story. Bullish divergence on the MACD histogram. Bearish trend and last bar touched 200. Looks like it can bounce from a 200 and connect back to 20 because it disconnected from 20. Strong fat bar. It can bounce back and can reconnect back to 20. Bearish trend, sell signal. MACD bearish, Heikanachi, RSI very oversold, minus 36. Very oversold territory on daily time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. All cryptos on daily time frame, on all time frames, 1 hour, 4 hours daily time frame, they all very negative, bearish trend. All of them on 1 hour time frame, they have some bullish divergences. On 4 hours time frame, they have bullish divergences. Looks like they would like to have some correction on short term. They disconnected, they oversold on RSI, and it can have they can have some bounce. Market never goes straight down. It should have some bounce. It will have some bounce for it. Now it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. It's in the bear trend. It definitely wants to have some bounce to connect back to 20. But so far it's all bearish on all time frames. Bearish trend. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all their efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.